How to find your archived stories on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to access your old stories and what you can do with them. First, open Instagram on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Archive from the options near the top. In the next step, make sure Stories Archived is selected from the dropdown at the top of the screen. Following this, scroll through and find the archived story you're looking for. Once done, tap on the story to open it. From here, you'll have a few options on what to do with it. You can tap Share to your story to reshare it, tap the Send button to forward it to someone in your DMs, or tap the three dots and select Delete if you want to remove it permanently. Finally, keep in mind that your story archive is only visible to you unless you choose to reshare it, so everything in there stays completely private. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you find and manage your archive stories, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.